Yes, guys, good morning. Good morning. This is Canada right now. We're in the heart of a big snowstorm. People are trying to dig out. Yeah, it's just keep coming down and it's not stopping. So, like I said before, folks, you guys back home, and when you send and say send, you haven't got a clue what we go through up here. Look at it. And this is from last night. Today's Monday. See? Yeah, the guy's trying to do the snow clean the snow, you know. Look at it, folks. This is Canada. So when we send anything out there, you guys appreciate it, because you don't want to trade places with us. You never get used to it. This is about several centimeters coming down today, several inches, and it's gonna fall the whole day, the whole bloody day. I'm outside right now and it's so hard to get around. Look how high it is. Look how high it is. People where I live, we're lucky somebody doing the snow removal. Look at that. Look at that, folks. This is winter in Canada. So appreciate when you guys get anything. When you know, this is winter here. This is it. Have a good look. Yeah. See the guy shoveling the snow? Yeah. I hope this is what we're getting for the whole winter. You know? It just keep coming and not stopping.
It says
How much?
tonight.
Till tonight?
Yeah.
Oh God.
They are looking to how much? 30 centimeters?
So by tonight we could have 30 centimeters.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know what? I applaud what you're doing. It's hard work, you know? It's hard.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm helping the people here.
Yeah, you know? It is. So I'm, you know, 30 cent by tonight 30 centimeters.
Yeah.
Even my balcony I went and clean off and it just keep coming down. So you take it easy.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you, yeah.
So folks, you see, this is it. We're getting, this is about 11 o'clock right now, or 10. And by tonight, we'll be getting 30 centimeters of snow. Right now, if you look, see? You just have to cut a little way. I'm gonna go into the garbage chute to empty my garbage right now. And this is what it is. See? Look at that. This is Canada for us right now. I am glad that I went back into a condo, because I would have to be shoveling my house right now. You know, so that's one good thing, the one good decision I made. You know, sold the house and go back into buy a condo. Because this way you don't shovel no snow and you don't cut no lawn. Somebody else get paid to do that. Look at that. This is our garbage disposal right now. We have a recycle thing here, so I just decided to just come out together. I was gonna walk up to, you know, do my really walk, but you can't walk in this today. You cannot walk in this. See, folks, this is Canada. So appreciate us, okay, when you get anything. And I don't care who wanna like or wanna subscribe, I'm telling it like it is. When you get anything from abroad from anybody, thank them and appreciate it, because you are not gonna switch place with us right now. You know, nobody out in Jamaica is gonna switch place with us. We're not bitching, we're just telling you like it is, because some of you guys are the most ungrateful people you ever come across. You know, it's no better roses up here, folks. It's no freaking better roses. So all the GoFundMe and all of this and all of that out there, appreciate what you guys get. And like I said, I don't care who want to subscribe or who want to like. I am giving the truth and nothing but the truth. Time like this is said hell, you know. Because you have so much ungrateful, disgusting people in Jamaica, in Trinidad, in Barbados, all over. Melanated people. I'm not talking about anybody else except our own melanated people. You know? On days like this, I just have to just let it out. Appreciate it. Appreciate what you bloody get from us. See? Look at that. Look how much inches of snow. We just have to cut a little part out to walk. You know? And then some of you guys have your attitude. Appreciate it. Appreciate the people abroad. Appreciate the people in England, America, all over the world who support you guys in Jamaica, in Trinidad, in Barbados, in Africa. Okay? Because life is not easy. And we still think about to help you guys. You know? The poor man shoveling the snow. We just have to put it out of the way because right now it's about 11 o'clock and this is falling straight on until tonight. So by tonight it will be 30 centimeters of snow. And you don't want to know what 30 centimeters of snow looks like. You know? It looks beautiful if you're inside. Yeah. But once you get out here, nope, nothing can come in here right now. They're trying to get even this is the driveway right now and they're trying to clear it out so at least cars or whatever could come in. You know, we have the postman who comes, Meals on Wheels for people, Wheel-Trans, all of that for, you know, people who need it. So it's a struggle. The bankings are high. Yeah, and it's just keep on coming down. I know January month is always bad, but we've never seen so much snow in January before. This is a lot. This is a lot of snow. Like I said, if you're inside and looking out, it looks beautiful. But if you come out here, the parking lot is it's no go. Nothing, no car can get in there. You know, no car can get in there. Wow. The cars on the road are. I live on a side road and just a little bit off the main street, and there's no getting by. I don't know if we keep this way, we're gonna run out of place to put it. You know. Wow. I'm gonna get back inside. My toes start to burn. Yeah, and I'm just out there for a few minutes. I just so admire these guys for what they're doing, you know, because it's hard shoveling the snow. There he is. Wow. It ain't easy. I've never seen this much in January. Is this global warming?
Hopefully it's a lot.
Yeah. Wow, man, it's a lot. Folks, see? Wow. Look at that. Oof. Wow.
Hello, what's you?
It's a lot.
Oh,
It keeps on coming and coming and coming.
it's just not gonna stop.
Well, the guy said till midnight tonight.
Oh,
By then we should have about 30. Well, where are you gonna put it?
I don't know. I mean, there's way over a foot of snow.
Yeah, this is a lot more. Yeah, and for those poor people who have to get out to go any place,
Oh,
huh?
no,
It's gonna be hard on them.
Thank God I don't have to go to work anymore.
Well, you know, that's
I
the
wouldn't
say.
have gone this morning anyway, because I mean, I used to work in Mississauga.
You
Friday
would
night,
you wouldn't
forget
get over there.
I
You
wouldn't
would
get to
not
the
get over
I
there.
wouldn't get to the 401.
Well, you know what? You better join us old folks because I'm retired and I'm so happy.
Oh yes, I live right in there. I don't mind helping out. Just I got no
And you know
problem.
what? It's days like this I'm good because when I had my house and I said, you know, Richard said I'm gonna sell it
Oh,
because I would be out there shoveling like crazy.
Oh,
And you'd
yes.
have to pay somebody.
I know.
You
we
know,
lived in
so
the house.
that is one of the best decision I ever made. Yeah,
That's true.
you know,
That's true. I agree
yeah,
100%.
oh yeah. So, whoa,
There's a lot of stuff. It just does not stop. Oh
jeez.
my God.
I lived here for 5 years and I've never seen anything
No.
like this.
I know.
I came in when 2017.
I came here in 18.
Wow.
4 years almost.
I mean, it's nice if you're just inside looking at it, right?
Yeah, but
It's so beautiful. It's all.
somebody has to do this. I mean,
Yes, yeah.
what happens if an ambulance comes or somebody? can't
Well,
do
no,
it?
that's the thing for emergency right now.
And
So,
now we have to put the garbage out tonight because the guy that usually works here,
yeah,
he couldn't make it this morning because of the buses.
because he's from where he's coming from. Because
he can't make it. So
can,
now,
you know which one of the buses probably down? The streetcars.
yeah.
You just sneeze on them and they're down. I used to live downtown, like Maid and Gerard, and
Yeah.
it was not fun with the streetcars.
Oh no.
Yeah,
that's true,
you
that's
know.
true.
Well, you know what? We just hope it just heats up because if we really get that 30 feet, I don't know what's gonna happen.
Oh man, I'll tell you.
Well, you know what? We have some status, so couldn't we call the city to come in and give us a hand? We pay all the taxes.
Yeah, I know. Well, I don't know. We're
the
gonna try to do the best.
best you can, that's all you can
Yeah.
do, and we appreciate it.
Yeah. Okay. thank you
Okay,
very much.
all right.
You have a good day.
Yes, you too. Okay, folks, so that's basically it. And you too have a good day.